Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and thank you so much for tuning. This is the Real Farm, and in this channel we talk about mainly chickens, improved village chickens such as Sussex. This is the village chickens, as you can see here. So this is Sussex, 6 weeks old. So in this video we are going to talk about the advantages of keeping chickens compared to animals and growing crops like maize, animals, goats and cattle. So please stick around. If this is your first time on the channel, please do me a favor, subscribe the video and hit the notification bell. That way we won't miss any of my first videos like this one. If you are passionate about chicken, so stick around. Advantage of keeping chickens. Chickens do not need a lot of space to rear them as compared to at home and growing crops. So that's advantage number one. You don't need a lot of space to keep chickens. As you can build a house as 1 meter is equal to almost 13 to 12 beds. You don't need a lot of capital to start with rearing chickens. As compared to cattle, you need a huge sum of money, but for chickens, you don't need a lot of money to start chickens. You can start small and start growing as little as possible. You can start probably 20 hens, 10 hens, 5 hens, 100, depends on the money you have. So very little capital to start a poultry business. Then there's the third one, which is poultry meat and eggs are widely accepted, unlike pork. So it is international, so meaning that some people, for religious reasons, they don't eat pork. But for chickens, everyone can eat chicken, including the eggs as well. That's an advantage as well. Then the fourth one is that they multiply very fast. One hen can hatch 4 times a year, which is probably to 40 or 30 hens every year can produce that sort of fast multiply, and that's an advantage as well. So meaning can give return just a period of time within a year, as compared to cattle, we have to wait for 2 years, 3 years, and so on. And then the other one, which is number 5, chickens, they give profit out here. They don't like nothing like crops with rain season and so on. For chickens is throughout. For crops on rain season, cattle takes time for them to start producing. Which is very easy to manage. Even the elder people can manage. The third one can learn a poultry business or increase but feed. It's not cattle you have to look after. They go out or just keep the constant on themselves. just employing human beings, so human labor is not as necessary in crop food or those animals, so very easy to manage. That's an advantage. But so we have to look at the disadvantages. So as you are doing that, your aim should be solving just the problems stand out. So one of the disadvantages of keeping chickens are very chickens is we have got disguised markets, lack of markets, high cost of feed. Of course, that is not an exception. And tracing as well, when you bring chicks, you need a tracing to eliminate the broilers. So such things are high expensive, but you have to admit we have to reduce the cost of the feed and other things as well.